everyone, my name is Rahila Panjwani and today I am going to tell you why Kallada Academy is better than other digital marketing institutions in India. So first of all, why digital marketing? As per statistics, digital marketing is expected to grow by 970 million users in 2025, and more than that, LinkedIn has registered digital marketing as one of the top 10 career choices in 2021. So I hope you have got your answer. Your second question must be why Kalida? Because Kalida has more than 50 plus batches. It has more than 2500 plus reviews, 1000 plus placements and what not. Talking about Kalida, I came across Kalida a year ago when I saw their Instagram ad in which they mentioned about the Masters in Digital Marketing course at a very minimum price of rupees 299. Like any other person, I couldn't believe it, but when I researched about it, I got my answer. So I joined the Masters in Digital Marketing course. I had to leave in between because of my major health issues, about which I am very much disappointed. But as you know, everything happens for a reason, so I know this also happened for a good reason. Talking about the Masters in Digital Marketing course, they provide 9 plus international certifications, they provide one-on-one mentoring, they provide everything you require. Since I couldn't complete the Masters in Digital Marketing course, I am very much excited for their advanced digital marketing course. Yes, you heard it right, advanced. And in this course, even a prior beginner who does not have a little bit knowledge about digital marketing can become a pro, like really. So talking about the benefits of this advanced digital marketing course, they provide a cashback wherein you complete your assignments and you get more than rupees 2500 cashback. You know, when you get a cashback, you are motivated to do your assignments. You get 15 plus international certifications and 80,000 rupees worth tools free. You also get weekly phone calls, you get one-on-one mentoring, you get more than 5 plus live projects, you are getting 10 assessments and what not. Santej sir is a very good person because I have done my masters in digital marketing. Although I have done a halfway, I have experienced his classroom and I am very much amazed by the way he clears every concept. And the biggest thing is that they provide 100% guaranteed placement assistance. You know, there are many courses, they just convince you to buy the course and they do not provide any placement. But here you get your placement. And there are 1000 plus placements as I have mentioned earlier. So I am very much excited for the advanced digital marketing course and I hope that y'all will also join. So everybody take care. Bye. Have a nice day.